Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Mutas. So basically, Mutas is an agentic platform where users can build mobile apps, web apps, games by just chatting to AI. In this case, Mutas. And then Mutas as well, you don't just do vibe coding, you do what we term as vibe clouding. So what I mean by that term is after Mutas is generated, your applications for you is written on the code. Mutas, we deploy the code to your own cloud. And cloud in this sense, I mean your own GCP cloud, your own AWS cloud, your own Azure cloud, your own Alibaba cloud, and many other clouds and all that. And so I'm going to take you through like a walkthrough, talk through, and then we can see the potentials and the capability of Mutas. So the next thing, you click on Start Building, and then you can go to a new chat because if you've got other chats, click New Chat, and then you give Mutas your prompt. For me, I'm saying, "Hi Mutas, please create to me a Silicon Valley travel guide. Make it look nice and good." And once I'm happy, I click Enter, and Mutas gets into action. So as you can see, Mutas is currently working, generating the code on my first prompt. I think some of our security guardrails kicked in, so I have to tell Mutas, hey, continue. And you can see Mutas is busy, and it's giving me all the code. And when Mutas is done, it gives you the URL, and then you can go through the code if you want to probably go through many of the stuff. And then you can go on the preview button and preview the application that Mutas is built for you. If you think there's nothing that's not working, you go back to Mutas and prompt Mutas. If you want to open it on a new tab, you can check the application itself directly. So let's go back to Mutas, and then you can what's it called? Get off. And when you're happy that Mutus is finished building your applications, you can go to the Cloud Connections button, click on it, and then you can connect any of the cloud platforms you want to deploy your application into. We have AWS, Azure, GCP, DigitalOcean, Alibaba Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. For this particular demo, we're going to be deploying to GCP, so I'm going to connect my GCP account, so click on that. Yes, it's going to ask you, do you have an existing account or not? I have an existing. If not, it's going to give you the step to create one. I'm going to click on have an account. You can just use the default region. You can choose your own region. So connect. So Mutas does use OAuth to connect to your account and deploy your application. So click on it and choose the account you want to connect to. And then for me, I'm going to advance because Google is yet to verify my app. So click and go to Mutas. And then I'll click and continue. And that's my account connected, and I close the button. And I'll come to Mutas and say deploy my app to GCP, and I press enter. And then when Mutas is done with the deploy, it's going to send you the URL. So let me just copy. Sometimes it does show it, but otherwise we're just going to go to GCP and grab the actual one because it was still building. Okay, it's not available. So all we need to do now, we need to go to our GCP account. So Cloud Run, Mutas did deploy to Cloud Run. So we need to look for the particular deploy. Silicon Valley Travel Guide. So we just need to click on it. And then we grab the actual URL. Grab the URL. And then we go to a browser and we paste. And voila, that's the application. And we can go back to Mutas just to confirm we've actually deployed the right application. Go back to our preview and okay, the preview is gone, but we had a preview here, right? So it's there and we're all good. So as you can see, the Mutas preview URL and what we deployed in GCP are the same. So guys, that ends the video for me, and I hope you enjoy using Mutas platform. Thank you. Bye.